What happens if you snore in a capsule hotel? Originating in 1970s Japan, capsule hotels were a clever solution for overworked salarymen. Today, capsule hotels have expanded far beyond Japan's borders, and you can find them in major cities like New York, London, Paris, and Shanghai. These hotels offer inexpensive accommodation in expensive areas, but there's a catch. Your door's just a curtain, so every snore is magnified by the curved walls. And if you complain to hotel staff about your snoring elephant of a neighbor, all you get is a polite offer of earplugs.